First trip abroad. Traveling is always fun. And if it is outside the country, it is a dream travel. A few essential tips for those who are going to set foot on foreign soil for the first time across the borders of the country. Verify passport. Sometimes it takes so long to get a visa that it feels rushed. Many important things are neglected as the travel date approaches.
Keep photocopies of everything. Accidents can happen even if you are careful and aware. Unfortunately, if you lose your passport or other travel documents, who will you look for help abroad? Correct charging adapter. Electronic devices will also be one of your companions on the move. You never want to be in a situation where they don't work on time. So know about the type of adapter, converter, transformer used in the country you are going to. Because different chargers and voltages are used in different countries. Not a heavy bag. Traveling abroad for the first time is undoubtedly exciting. And that's why you don't make the bag heavy by stuffing all your favorite clothes and accessories. It can be seen that most of them are returned and used.
No money changing at the airport. Although there are money changing facilities at the airport, it would not be a wise decision to exchange money here except in an emergency. Because the money changing rate at the airport is very high. If you don't know, ask. When you board a plane for the first time, you will see many things that you have no idea about. You may need help in many cases. There is nothing to be embarrassed or ashamed about. Politely ask for help. SIM card. First of all, get a SIM card from the country you are going to. With enough talk time and internet data. Booking. Where to stay, where to go, book tickets and hotels online in advance. The law. You must obey the laws of the country you go to. Be a good tourist and travel. You can give a good idea about your own country to the people of other countries.